Are you looking for a way to spend your crypto easily and conveniently? When using your crypto card, do you want to enjoy low fees, high rewards, and top-notch security?
Yes.
If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you need to check out the Lama Crypto Exchange Visa card. This card is unlike any other crypto card in the market. It offers you a seamless and hassle-free way to use your crypto for everyday purchases, online shopping, travel, and more.
Fantastic.
In this video, I will show you some insane advantages Lama Crypto Exchange Visa card has over others and why it is the best choice for crypto enthusiasts.
Let's get started.
One of the most attractive features of the Lama Crypto Exchange Visa card is its low fees. Imagine having a crypto card that lets you use your crypto easily and conveniently without having to pay exorbitant fees that drain your crypto funds. A card that gives you access to millions of merchants and ATMs around the world without charging you hidden fees or extra costs. A card that rewards you with free transfers and free delivery just for being a loyal customer. Sounds too good to be true, right?
Yes, it does.
Well, it's not.
It's the Lama Crypto Exchange Visa card, the ultimate crypto card for anyone who wants to save money and maximize their crypto potential. The Lama Crypto Exchange Visa card has the lowest fees in the market, making it the most affordable and efficient way to use your crypto for anything you want. Whether you want to buy groceries, book a flight, pay bills, or withdraw cash, you can do it all with your Lama Crypto Exchange Visa card without breaking the bank.
Impressive.
The Lama Visa card makes cryptocurrency easier to spend in everyday life and provides consumers with a simple means of swapping between fiat and crypto. As a result, users can enjoy the best of both worlds, the upside to holding digital assets, coupled with the surety of knowing that they can access their funds instantly when they need to make an everyday payment, Lama said. The Lama Crypto Exchange Visa card seems to be the best thing to ever happen to any crypto wallet.
But is it?
Hi there, you are about to witness some of the best content ever made about the crypto world, cutting-edge innovations, great crypto partnerships, and the legendary investors that shape the crypto world.
I love this already.
So, if you are passionate about the crypto market and the crypto ecosystem,
hit the subscribe button, okay?
Turn on notifications. The Lama Crypto Exchange Visa card is not the only crypto card in the market but is certainly one of the best.
I have to get one of those.
Compared to other popular crypto cards such as Crypto.com Visa card, Uphold card, Coinbase Visa, ShakePay Visa, and Gemini MasterCard, the Lama Crypto Exchange Visa card has some unique advantages and features that make it stand out. For example, the Lama Crypto Exchange Visa card offers up to 5% crypto cashback on all purchases, which is higher than most other crypto cards that offer between 0.5% to 3%. Again, the Lama Crypto Exchange Visa card has a unique CRO staking model that offers 5 different tiers of cards with different perks and benefits. Depending on how much CR you stake, you can enjoy free Netflix, Spotify, and airport lounge access, higher cashback rates, and lower fees.
That's nice, isn't that nice?
Also, the Lama Crypto Exchange Visa card is so good that it supports over 20 plus cryptocurrencies, more than most other crypto cards that support 9 to 15 cryptocurrencies. With the Lama Crypto Exchange app, you can switch between cryptocurrencies on the fly. Lastly, the Lama Crypto Exchange Visa card is backed by one of the most reliable and trusted companies in cryptocurrency, with over 10 million users worldwide and a strong reputation for security and compliance. As you can see, the Lama Crypto Exchange Visa card has many advantages over other similar cards in the market. The card offers you convenience, flexibility, security, and rewards when using your crypto. But what are customers actually saying? Are they satisfied? The Lama Crypto Exchange Visa card has received positive feedback and reviews from many satisfied customers who have used it and enjoyed its benefits. These feedbacks are not 1 or 2 or 3, but more from verified users. So, here is one of the testimonials and experiences shared by Lama Visa card users I personally like. I love my Lama Visa card. It's so easy to use, and I get 2% BTC cashback on everything I buy. It's like getting free Bitcoin while shopping. Plus, the card looks sleek and premium. I highly recommend it to anyone who wants to use their crypto in the real world. John, a gold plan user, stated. You want to make a fortune in the crypto market but don't know which coins to buy. You don't have time to waste on research and analysis. Well, we have it for you. We have found the top 3 crypto coins under $3 that are about to explode in value. So, check them out.
Thanks for watching.